If you've ever opened Canva and thought, I wish I could have used my own font, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to upload and use custom fonts in Canva. The easy way, perfect for personal projects, branding, or professional designs. First, log into your Canva account. Open a design you're already working on or create a new blank one so you have a space to test the font once it's added. Click on any text box in your design to select it. This tells Canva where you want the change to appear. Now, look at the toolbar above your canvas. You'll see the current font name displayed. Click on that font name and a drop-down menu with all available fonts will appear. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and choose the option that says Upload a font. Canva will ask you to pick a font file from your computer. Make sure the file you use is in one of Canva's supported formats, OTF, TTF, or WOFF. Before uploading, double check that the font is properly licensed, especially if you plan to use it commercially. Once you select your file and hit open, Canva will begin uploading it. After the upload finishes, you can either apply it right away or simply save it for later use in other designs. Now, something important to know, uploading custom fonts isn't available on every account. You'll need Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise, Canva for Education, or Canva for nonprofits to access this feature. If you're on the free version and don't see the upload option, upgrading might be worth it if branding and customization matter to your projects. After your font is uploaded, just click any text box again, open the font dropdown, and your new font will appear in the list. Select it and you're good to go. It's a simple change that can completely elevate the look and feel of your designs. And that's all you need to start using your own fonts in Canva. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more shortcuts and creative tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.